there, this is Sophie, a French girl from Go Dominican Life. We are located today in a small residential and with a few houses, a nice commune pool, and I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom house. Come with me and have a look. This is a very nice house, like you can see, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, very spacious. So the bedrooms are very big, very high ceiling. The place is all fences. You have a nice garden in the back. If you want to put your own pool, you can't, but it's not necessary. Like you have a commune pool already in a complex. Furniture are very nice, all wood, nice cabinet, nice door. So this is a great place for a family or a vacation. School is very close, supermarket, the beach. So if you want information, just send us a message. Click the link below, subscribe, share, and like. And I see you soon.